Yeah, Peachy. Here's Peach doing his usual morning play thingy. And this is Skitty there, who's kind of pissed at him. Still hasn't understood Skitty that Peach really just wants to play rough sometimes, that's all. But he's really a peach. Ugh. That. Don't touch that. That's the amplifier. Okay. Is Skitty just watching him from a distance? Uh-huh. It's okay, Peach. Don't mind me. He's looking more at me now. It's okay, Peachy. I have to come close, I can't. Otherwise the focus is off. Meanwhile, Skitty's still watching him. Hey, Skit. Oh. Uh-huh. This is where Skitty's supposed to sleep, but Peach takes over. Here's my old Sisal scratching board that's only been there for like 9 months or so, since the summer maybe. And that's Skitty's favorite spot on her old tree. And this is the new condo. This is where Peach is supposed to sleep, but he doesn't like it yet. But you got 3 other perches, and on top I got a blanket up there for Peach. Hopefully he'll get used to sleeping there. I'm gonna try to get him used to it. And I'm watching Battlestar Galactica Season 1. First episode.